تذكر يوما كنت تعانق دمعة الفكر تناجي الله في صبر وترجو رحمة تسري فعاش القلب إخلاصا وصرت تحوم كالطير تحلق في ثقافات وتنهل من ربى الخير.
He narrated a story to me which agreed with the account I have given to you about the Dajjal, the Antichrist. He informed me that he had embarked upon a sea boat with 30 men of Lachem and Jozam. Then the sea waves played with them for a month and threw them onto an island where the sun was about to set. They sat in a small side boat and entered the island. A beast with very coarse hair met them. They could not tell its front from its back due to its excessive hair. They asked, "Woe to thee! Who art thou?" We fled away from it lest it might be the devil. We hurriedly went. We did never see before. We hurriedly went on till we entered the monastery. We found a big-bodied man whom we did never see before. He was firmly tied up, his hands tied to his neck, the place between his knees and joints tied with iron chains. Muslim, camel. 2. Some scholars are of the opinion that it is the young of the she-camel of Prophet Salih alayhi salam. Imam al-Qurtubi holds the same opinion. He writes in his commentaries of the Quran, the first opinion regarding the beast is that the young of the she-camel of the Prophet Salih alayhi salam. This is the most correct view and opinion. Allah knows best. Opinion explained. The people of Thamud were Arabs who lived a couple of 100 years after the Prophet Nuh alayhi salam in a place called Hijr, which today is known as Madain Salih, in the north of Arabia near Tabuk. Blessed in provision and livelihoods, their land was fertile with green gardens and running springs, and they skillfully carved spacious houses out of mountains. They were ungrateful to Allah as they worshipped the stone idols they carved with their own hands. Thus Allah honored Salih from among them with prophethood and sent him as a messenger to the people of Thamud to bring them out of the darkness into light. Salih alayhi salam conveyed the message of Allah day and night and called them to the worship of Allah with wisdom and kind-heartedness. But the people of Thamud decided to remain blind. Finally they, like the community before them, asked to see a miracle. O Salih, take out a 10-month pregnant she-camel from a mountain, which then gives birth to a young that has the same body and stature as the mother. Having seen the miracle, they refused to believe. The she-camel was a sign of Allah, very large and unusual in the form, and the people were warned that they would be destroyed if they treated it with evil. All the other animals were afraid of Prophet Salih's camel and would run away whenever she and its young came to drink water. Thus bounds were arranged. However, after a very short period, they broke the agreement and decided to kill the camel of Allah. A group hid waiting for the camel on its return from the well with its child.
كل الذي يرجون فضلك كل الذي يرجون فضلك أمطروا